Guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Some of you guys already know, today we're checking out the HIFIMAN earbuds. This month has been so much earbuds, just you guys, I just wanted something differently. So as we can mash up around and we get throughout these kind of buds and try to understand the budget range throughout the buds and how the sound feels. And the expensive buds will be coming up soon, so as we can see what's the actual difference. I understand there's a budget range throughout this lineup of buds, which they're really decent. But today we're checking out the HIFIMAN, and it's gonna be really amazing, and it captured me throughout its own kind of aesthetics. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Okay, there we go. Nice throw, man. So there we go, guys. As you can see, this is HIFIMAN TWS 450. It's such an amazing kind of earbuds, and I really like it, and it's really dope. To be honest, I really like the way they kept the form factor throughout the picture because I just want to see it physically. So enough of me talking, guys. Let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. So guys, this is a HIFIMAN TWS 450. It's such an amazing kind of buds. We're going to be unboxing it right now. As you can see at the back, it's written in Chinese. Don't worry, we're going to be breaking down the specification so as you can see what's goody. Go. Wow. Okay, there we go. Nice. So we're gonna just be unboxing it just like that. Looks really cool. I'm gonna keep this one first of all, the bad boy aside. So this is our packaging over here, as you can see. And what is this? This is like a warranty or something. A USB-A to USB Type-C. Extra buds to interchange throughout your buds. Here is your bad boy. As you can see, guys, really cool. At the back here, it has a Type-C. Damn, this is actually really small in size compared to the one which we review from Beziers. Looks a little bit differently than here. This is almost rounded. As you can see, it's actually total difference through the sizing. Even if we compare to the Beziers and 2S, this is like bigger one compared to this one. So it's actually differently on the shape, rounded. This one is a little bit taller, as you can see here. Actually not bad, but kind of like it. It's really dope. So let us whoa, nice, really nice. The form factor looks really amazing, and damn, this looks really dope. By the way, I like the way they kept it. It's just cool. It's just like you hold it and you forgot even it exists. So this is a very well made form factor. So as you can see, this is your buds, and I guess, yeah, it has some juice. You can see it's lighting up right now, so as you can pair. So let us just test it on the sound side and see what's happening. Guys, this is the HIFIMAN, and we're gonna be testing it right now because I like the way they made this kind of buds. And let's go. Okay, it's connected already. I think we connected it already. So because I was charging it, it didn't have some juice, and the voice which it says is actually not bad. It's great. Guys, this is the HIFIMAN. It's really good. I listened to the sound. It's actually amazing. It's missing out some few stuff, like the bass is not actually too much. It's like in the middle. So if you have another secondary app for EQ, you can actually tweak around and get a decent bass you want throughout your app. But it's actually not having an application to control these buds. That's like a downside. But overall, it's such an amazing kind of buds, and you're gonna be hearing the sound testing because I listened to it for myself and I was thinking like, okay, what's happening? But it's actually really decent. It's cool. I can't complain on that, and I like the haptic feedbacks. It's like does stuff like that. It's kind of cool whenever you touch it. So it's just amazing. It has its own kind of gesture. Like if you want to play music, I can double tap 1, 2, and it's actually playing. So let's talk about the specification of the HIFIMAN TWS 450. Well, it has an audiophile grade dynamic drivers for excellent sound quality. It has a battery life of 5 hours of playtime per charge, with an additional of 15 hours provided by the 330 mAh charging case, totally 20 hours. The earbuds and the case takes up to 1.5 and 2 hours of charge, respectively, using a Type-C connection. On the connectivity side, it has a Bluetooth version 5.3 which is really amazing. And the comforter and build, it's lightweight. It has a design which is 3.5 grams per earbud with an IPX water resistance rating, which is suitable for active use, like if you're outside and all of that. It's just really decent. Something which is quite interesting, it has an AI powered environment noise cancellation for calls, and it has a game mode for reduced latency and multifunction touch controls for playback calls, voice assistance, activation, and it includes extra ear tips for customizable fit. As this is the HIFIMAN TWS 450. It's such an amazing kind of earbuds. It's so minimal. I like the case, the way they made it. Looks really smaller. It's like we're in an era whereby earbuds, they're made a little bit much smaller in size compared like in the past years. It's a really good thing. Even the microphones nowadays, we have seen it, they're becoming so small in size, which it's more lightweight to carry compared to even this bad boy which I'm using for recording here. But overall, it's such an amazing and incredible earbuds from HIFIMAN, and it's really cool. I like it the way they kept the form factor throughout it. It's really lightweight. There's cons out of it. Like the cons is just that it does not have an application to control the earbud. I wish it had. So if you want to get something like this, you don't want too much bass, this is actually good. But if you want to customize, you can just get third-party apps and you can customize depending on your preferences of your EQ, and it's really much better. So this is the HIFIMAN TWS 450. Such an amazing kind of earbuds from HIFIMAN. I keep calling that brand. From the score of 10 to 0, I'm going to be scoring the HIFIMAN around 9. It's really nice. I like it. Yeah, it's missing an app. That's a con only. But overall, it's good. It's worth it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it throughout the video today. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.